Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen and create delicious, healthier meals with ease? Look no further than the Instant Vortex 6-quart XL Air Fryer, a versatile powerhouse designed to simplify your cooking process and elevate your culinary creations. Say goodbye to the hassle of deep frying and hello to the convenience of air frying, roasting, reheating, and baking all with the touch of a button. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Unleash culinary creativity. Endless possibilities at your fingertips. With the Instant Vortex 6-quart XL Air Fryer, the culinary world is your oyster. From juicy chicken wings to crispy fries and onion rings, indulge in all your fried favorites without the guilt of excess oil. Roast cauliflower bites, shrimp skewers, or garlicky potatoes to perfection. Bake calzones, cinnamon rolls, or chewy brownie bites for a sweet treat. The possibilities are endless, and with over 100 in-app recipes, culinary inspiration is just a tap away. Experience even crisp technology, golden perfection every time. Say goodbye to soggy textures and hello to crispy, tender results with even crisp technology. This advanced system drives airflow top-down, ensuring a perfect golden finish and mouth-watering texture with every bite. Whether you're air frying, broiling, roasting, or reheating, prepare to be amazed by the consistently delicious results. One-touch smart programs, effortless cooking at your fingertips. Gone are the days of complicated cooking techniques. With the Instant Vortex 6-quart XL Air Fryer's one-touch smart programs, preparing delicious meals is as simple as pressing a button. Customize the time and temperature for total control over your cooking and save your presets for quick and easy meal preparation. From savory wings to decadent desserts, culinary perfection is just a touch away. Compact design, maximum convenience. Don't let its size fool you. The Instant Vortex 6-quart XL Air Fryer packs a punch when it comes to performance. Perfectly combining function and style, this countertop-friendly appliance is a true space saver. Whether you're cooking for a small family or hosting a dinner party, this compact design is perfect for 4 to 6 servings. Easy cleanup, hassle-free maintenance. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations with the Instant Vortex 6-quart XL Air Fryer. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray make cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to greasy messes and hello to effortless maintenance. Conclusion: elevate your cooking game with the Instant Vortex 6-quart XL Air Fryer, ready to take your cooking skills to the next level. Click the link below to discover the full specifications of the Instant Vortex 6-quart XL Air Fryer. With its versatile functionality, even crisp technology, and one-touch smart programs, this kitchen essential is sure to become your go-to appliance for quick, delicious meals. Say goodbye to ordinary cooking and hello to extraordinary flavors. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.